Hello everyone. The topic for today's video is going to be Powers Select Custom Football for 2014. Due to the amount of material necessary to cover the full Select line, we're going to break this up into two separate videos. The first one will talk about specifics surrounding the Select program and the Go for Two items, as well as specifics on the program, and probably we'll get through to the stretch jerseys, as I'll call them, and then we'll cut and we'll start the second video which will pick up on the balance of the jerseys and the pants and the line. So two videos to cover Select football. Alright, first thing we want to look at. In the catalog, if you open the front cover on page 2 there, we have our Go for Two promotion. It's the same program as we offered last year, which means that for any Select custom jersey or pants sold, the customer can choose free of charge one of three items, either compression tops, workout shorts, or custom socks. So to look at these real quick, the compression top was a great moisture wicking fabric that we had a lot of success with. People are actually buying these as well as using them in the complementary items on the Go for Two. Okay? The workout short has a great hand, a 10-inch inseam, and then an elastic drawstring, available in 5 colors on the short, 6 colors on the jersey, or the shirt. The last item is custom socks. And I've got the launch design, as well as I have an example of the Fade 3. We also have one called Fade 2. We're working on, and you had this from last year, the Select Custom Go for Two order form, which we'll update and we'll send to you this year. It outlines here, just go ahead and mark which color and sizes for each of the items. Remember, in Select Custom, I have to sell a minimum of 6. I cannot order less than 6 no matter what. So for the Go for Two items, I can get 6 compression tops, I can get 6 shorts. However, on the custom socks, new for this year, a minimum of 24 per style and color, 12 per size. So if somebody wants to order a fill-in of 6 jerseys and they say, hey, I want 6 socks, they're going to have to order 18 more pair. A couple of days ago, we emailed the Go for Two flyer, which had all the pricing as well as the expiration date. Remember, the Go for Two free offering ends on March the 14th, 2014. After that, the Go for Two items off, obviously Select Custom still on. Okay? So, a couple of good things with regard to Go for Two. Alright. Select Custom Football. Looking again back at the catalog, let's look at page 24, and we'll talk about some of the specifics as it surrounds it. First thing I always like to touch on are the fabrics. And at the bottom shows the fabric chart and the fabrics and what's available. And I won't necessarily go in order, but we'll just look at what some of these fabrics are. 18 fabric then, of course, is ProBright Tricot. This has been a staple, Tricot mesh staple in our football line for a lot of years. We have great success with it. It's a value-priced cloth utilized in our value-priced jerseys. 97 material, since I have this jersey here, is our high luster warp knit 100% polyester. It's been a very durable cloth, has a lot of sheen, and we've utilized it extremely well over the course of the last several years in Select Custom. Okay? 92 and 91 are going to be the spandex fabrics. 91 is the shiny, 92 is the dull. You'll see it in pants, you'll see it in side inserts, you'll see it in necks and cuffs depending on whichever style. 95 material then, and I'll oftentimes call it high tenacity Cordura, is more the flat finish. This is an 86 poly 14 spandex product, and we're seeing a lot more gravitation towards this because of the flat finish both in pants, and we'll see it in jerseys. Then the last two fabrics, and I'm bouncing on the fabric chart just a little bit, 78 material, which is our stretch mesh. This is actually a 90% poly, 10% spandex fiber. And then of course we've talked about the 95 material utilized on a lot of the stretch jerseys. 86-14 poly spandex. Okay? Alright, specifics on the program. Because Select Custom is a restricted offering, we have 5 different letter and number fonts that are available. Full Block, True Block, Syracuse, Athletic Shadow, Caxton, and then a new font for this year, which will be our Warrior font. It's available in both jerseys, or excuse me, both letters and numbers. So the Warrior font's new. If you recall, you'll look back at the pricing, the jersey can either be sold blank or with one color decoration or two color decoration. The decoration would include either a 1-inch embroidered team name, one or two color, or a 2-inch or 3-inch tackle twill team name, one or two color. When you look at the pricing, let's say for example somebody wants a 2-color team name but 1-color numbers. That's available on the program, but I've got to price it from the 2-color section. Or we can also do, if somebody wants a full block team name, but they want Warrior numbers, that's fine. Just make sure you call that out on the order forms, and we're working on those. We'll get those out right to you. Okay? All right. Important dates over on page 22, I believe. Excuse me, 23 are the order by dates. So order by January 10, ship by mid-June. Order by March 14th, we will ship mid-July. Order May 9th, we'll ship early August. After May 9th, the program is over. Okay? All right. The base fit is going to be our cap sleeve, which is our tightest fitting jersey, available in alpha sizes. Okay, so let's look back then on some of the styles, and we'll cover as far as we can on this video, and then we'll cut to and go to the second one. Okay, so if we're on page 12, got a couple of new ones we want to talk about. The first one, style 69, our Bronco design. And this one has features stretch mesh bottom, front and back with stretch mesh side inserts, a 92 cloth shoulder insert with a two-piece 95 cloth, or excuse me, two-piece 92 cloth neck, and then a 95 cloth front and back shoulder and sleeve. This is not set up for a contrasting sleeve. I already had that question, so it comes as you see it, again showing the Warrior font. Okay, another new one, style 65, which is our Spartan design. This one features our more value fabrics, Pro Bright Trico body with the 97 shoulder and sleeve. It does have a 92 cloth side insert and then a 92 cloth shoulder insert. Again, featuring the Warrior font. I can contrast my side insert. Okay, carryover styles. Style 63, which is the Yuma design. You saw the same fabric combination just a second ago in the Bronco design. 78 fabric bottom with 78 side insert, 95 front and back, but then we add a couple of triangular inserts with fill piping on the side, and then shoulder insert, excuse me, sleeve insert with fill piping. Remember, obviously on this one, I cannot get sleeve numbers. Okay, continuing with carryover designs, just got a few more here. Style 61, this is the Durango jersey. Again, all stretch mesh on the body with the 95 high tenacity Cordura shoulder and sleeve, and then we just have a insert that comes from the underarm up to the neck. Okay. The Bulls design, which is style 59, again 78 fabric stretch mesh body, high tenacity Cordura shoulder sleeve, and then we have a smaller little chest, upper chest insert with fill piping, and again a two-piece neck and spandex cuff. Okay. Got a couple more to show here. This is style 57, the Knights design. This one again a 92 cloth neck with the 95 cloth front body and yoke and sleeve with a 92 cloth sleeve and fill piping. I can on this one contrast the sleeve. Okay, gives a good design. And then the last two, which are carryover designs, 55 our Armed Forces jersey, and then 53 our compression fit. 55 was probably our best seller. It's a base cap sleeve jersey with stretch fabrics. You can see high tenacity Cordura front and back with 78 shoulder, excuse me, bottom, front, and sides. And then the compression is mostly 78 fabric with 95 cloth shoulder sleeve and fill piping. Okay, that's going to conclude our first video. We'll go to the second one right now. Thanks.